Hello, my name is Poojan Mistry. Open the model. Go to Define. Select Load Patterns. Select Seismic. And select IS code 1893. Set direction X and Y. In Seismic Zone Factor, select Factor as per IS code. For Ahmedabad it is 0.16. Site type is 2. Importance factor is 1. Response reduction is 3. As per IS code. Click on OK. Now we will start the Analyze the structure. Click on the Analyze button. As you can see here, our structure is analyzed. Now we will start concrete design. To do, click on this concrete design button. Concrete design is complete. To verify, click on this button and select Verify All Member Passed. As you can see here, this pop-up says All Members Passed Design Check. Now we will do the response spectrum method. Click on Lock Unlock button. Go to Define. Functions. Select Response Spectrum. Choose IS code from here. And click on Add New Function. Give the name. Ahmedabad is coming in Zone 3, so I am selecting Zone 3. Soil type is normal, soil type 2. Response reduction factor is 3. Click on OK. Now go to Define. Click on Load Cases. Add new case. Give the name. Select Load Case Type to Response Spectrum. Click on Add. Load Name U1. Scale factor is 1663.5. In function, select Response Spectrum. Click on Add again. Because we define for X and Y direction. Load name U2. And do the same as U1. Click OK. Go to Analyze. Click on Set Load Cases to run. We are doing response spectrum analysis, so we don't need the dead and live load case to run. Click on Do Not Run. And click on Run Now option. Structure is analyzed. Now we can do concrete design. Do the same steps shown before. Now we will do time history analysis. Click Lock Unlock button. Go to Define. Load Cases. Delete Response Spectrum case. We are doing time history analysis, so there is no need of response spectrum. Go to Define Load Pattern. Select Seismic and modify the load. Uncheck the Y direction. Click on OK. Now go to Define. Functions. Click on Time History. Select Function Type. From File. Click on Add New Function. Give the name. Select the Time History data file. Now go to Define. Click on Load Cases. Add New Case. Give the name. Select Load Case Type to Time History. Click on Add. Select Load Type Acceleration. Select Load Name Seismic. In function, select Time History. Scale factor is same as shown before. Click on OK. You can also get the report. Go to the reports and select this. You can see here the report is generated.